Hi guys, the series of products are Australian standard conduit and fittings for electrical installation, including PVC rigid conduit, corrugated conduit, adaptable box, junction box and fittings. It is mainly exported to Oceania countries, especially Australia and New Zealand. In regards to PVC rigid conduit, include medium duty gray and heavy duty orange, having diameter 16 to 150 millimeters, comply with standard AS NZS 2053.2-2001. The corrugated conduit include medium duty gray and heavy duty orange, having diameter 16 to 50 millimeters, comply with standard AS NZS 2053.5-2001. Here is an adaptable box covering more than 20 sizes with waterproof function. The waterproof grade reaches IP67. The junction box, including shallow and deep junction box. The diameters are different, having 1 to 4 way. The diameter is 20 millimeters and 25 millimeters. Also have some nice designs such as the hole on the cover, which is convenient for engineers to open the cover with a screwdriver. All fittings complete, including couplings, adapter, band, elbow, etc. Comply with AS NZS 2053.2-2001 and AS NZS 2053.5-2001. This series of conduit and fittings both have good impact resistance and compression resistance. The flame retardant level reaches VO and UV resistance, suitable for indoor and outdoor projects.